Hi, this is Luke from inaudible.pro. Today we have 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock number 6735. This ran from the 5th 2016 to the 2nd 2024. It has a CZEA 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZEA 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,